All right, let's get real for a second. The clocks have turned back. The days are shorter, darker, and for most of us, motivation just isn't there. Ever feel like winter's this huge reset button? A chance to go ghost mode, grind in silence, and come back in the spring as a whole new version of you. Sounds epic, right? But do you actually know where to start? Do you have a real plan? If not, don't worry, because in today's video, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide to create your own winter arc, a powerful season to transform your life. Step 1. Supercharge your nutrition. First up, let's talk nutrition. With colder weather, our immune systems need all the help they can get. Think of supplements as fuel for your winter engine, vitamin D for those darker days, omega-3s to support brain health, and a good multivitamin to cover your bases. And on top of that, fuel up with hearty, nutrient-dense meals that warm you up but won't weigh you down. So, we're talking lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbs, stuff that's going to power your workouts and help you recover faster. Step 2. Create a workout routine you can stick to. We're in hibernation mode, so what better time to build strength? Winter is when we go heavy on consistency. Whether you're lifting, running, or doing bodyweight exercises, find a plan and stick to it. My challenge: try to make working out a daily habit, even on those lazy days. Remember, it's all about showing up for yourself consistently. Imagine that body you'll have when summer rolls around if you keep this up. Step 3. Reset your mindset. A winter arc isn't just about the body, it's about the mind too. Go on a dopamine detox. Cut back on social media, spend more time journaling, meditating, or even just walking in nature. Clearing your mind gives you mental clarity and focus. Picture it: less noise, more productivity. This season is prime time for grounding yourself and finding peace in the quiet. The less reactive you are to what's around you, the stronger your foundation becomes. Step 4. Set goals, reflect, and visualize. Let's get those goals in check. Winter's a perfect time to reevaluate, reset, and recalibrate. Start by setting 2 to 3 main goals: fitness, career, personal, and focus your energy on those. Write them down, and then create a vision board with images that capture what you're aiming for. Put it somewhere you'll see every day, maybe as your phone background or on your wall. Seeing those goals visually, day in and day out, keeps you grounded and motivated. Progress won't come overnight, but when you see those small wins stack up, that's where the magic happens. Step 5. Prioritize rest and recovery. This season isn't all hustle, it's also about rest. Ever wonder why winter nights are longer? It's nature's way of telling us to slow down and get more sleep. Make rest non-negotiable. This is the time to let your body recover and recharge. Aim to get quality sleep each night. Maybe add some stretching or mobility work before bed, and don't skip those active recovery days. Think of it this way: you're building yourself up, not wearing yourself down. With this balance, you'll come out of winter stronger than ever. Step 6. Connect with your purpose. Last but not least, spend this time working on something fulfilling. Start a passion project, dive into a skill you want to improve, or put extra focus on something you've been procrastinating on. Having a purpose keeps you grounded and productive, even on the darkest days. So there you have it, the winter arc plan to make this season your ultimate transformation. But what about you? What are your goals for the winter? Drop them in the comments, or share any tips you swear by for self-improvement during these colder months. And if there's anything specific you'd like to see on the channel, let me know. As always, like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you're ready to level up. Until next time, keep growing.